Hello and welcome to Shubham's Origami World. In this video we are going to fold this lovely winged heart, which again utilizes two colors of a paper, the colored portion for the heart and the white portion for the wings. It is quite easy to make and takes very less amount of time to be completed. So let's get started. You will need a dual colored paper like this and begin with white side up. Fold the paper in half horizontally and vertically. Now fold one of the edges to the center line like this. Turn the model over and bring these corners towards the center line like this. Repeat here. Turn the model over again and fold these edges towards the center line. Repeat on the other side like this. Now fold this paper flap down till this line like this. Give a crease. Down and fold the paper from the sides to the center like this. You will get something like this. Okay. Now fold this edge till this line. Okay. Open again. Now you need to give a crease from this point to this point and from this point to this point like this. See? Repeat here on the other side. Okay. We have creases. Fold the paper down like this to flat the model. These are going to become the wings, so we need to fan fold them. Fold this wing in half, this line to this line. Like this. Then once again fold it in half like this till the end properly. Now unfold it back from where we started. Now we need to start fan folding. Fold this edge till this first line. We need to make half of this line. So I'm doing this. Okay. Now fold back just like you make a paper fan. Front, back, So keep repeating this till you reach the end. It will be easier for me to do it on a table. Just keep doing these front back fan folds until you reach the end of the wing, like this. Okay. Now what you need to do is leave the wing aside and focus here. Fold the corner till this point, just half of this. Do the same here. Get it? Now fold the stop point towards this line. Like this, pinch firmly. Repeat the process here. Fold the corner like this, and the other one too, and then bring the topmost point down till this line. Crease firmly. Okay. For the wing, put your thumb and pinch it to the center, hold it, and from the sides just slightly spread the fan folds, not in the center but on the sides. Keep holding the center and spread the fan fold of the other side. And when you turn the model over, your heart is ready. A heart with wings, utilizing the two colors of paper. Thanks for watching.